Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. So today I'm going to be visiting a local Jamaican shop in my area called Jet Palace. So today my son is going to be helping me film this episode and he's looking a bit shy on camera. So yeah, Jet Palace is located in southeast London, an area called Brockley. It's not far from my house. I saw it recently when I was driving past, so I thought let me walk in. And so yeah, we're gonna go inside, we're gonna speak to the owner. The owner's called Tony. As you can see, it's a brand new shop and the decor is still fresh. Really nice ambience. So we're gonna talk to the owner and then we're gonna eat some food later on. This is the boss. Our boss. Yeah. What's your name? Tony. Tony. Yeah, so meet Tony, the owner of the shop. Yeah, so how long have you been running the shop?
4 months.
4 months, okay. So
brand new.
yeah, so I came in here the other day. I tried some oxtail. It was really nice. Yeah. So
everything is nice. People eat them. They say it's very nice.
Yeah.
It is nice.
Are you guys the customers? Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. So what did you have today?
I sampled curry goat, stewed chicken, pepper steak.
Oh, you sampled everything?
Yeah, because we're having an event, so we're looking for someone to do events as well. She does events.
What event is it?
It's a wedding.
Oh, wedding. Okay, cool. So you give it 10 out of 10, yeah? Nice. That's a good look. Yeah, so I'll probably do the same as well. So I can get like a bit of everything. Yeah. And then your drinks as well. Can you show them the drinks? The drinks, do you make it yourself?
Yeah.
Cool. So this is all made freshly by the shop. So this one's got Irish mosh, pineapple.
Beetroot, carrot.
Right, this one's my favourite. This one's my favourite. So it's got beetroot, it's got carrot, pineapple, sugar. Yeah.
It's called fruit punch.
Nice. What's the shelf life?
Guinness punch.
Yeah, Guinness
2 weeks, but it never stays.
Oh, it's 2 weeks?
Yeah, but it never stay 2 weeks. I always go before.
Yeah.
Like a week. All them, let's go.
Yeah, we'll go because but this one's definitely my favourite. Cool. So and you make all this yourself?
Yeah. Make all
Nice.
this,
What have you got on the menu today?
Pepper steak, curry goat, oxtail, jerk chicken,
Yeah.
lamb. No pork.
Okay.
Soup, beef soup.
Oh, you do beef soup?
Yeah, I got beef soup.
So do you do like different soups every day?
Yeah.
Okay.
Different soups every day.
Nice. Okay. And you're
we do fish to order if you want fish.
Oh, you do fish as well?
Order,
Okay.
to order fish,
Nice. Okay. Question: how comes you don't put things on display? Because every shop that I've been in, they always have stuff on display.
Yeah, we try to make it different.
You trying to be different?
Yeah, try to be different.
Yeah.
And it's fresh?
Yeah.
You
like
see the one in glass case, yeah?
Yeah.
They stay for 2-3 days. We don't do that. We do every day, it's fresh, every day.
Well,
we don't put it in the fridge or
Is that what they do?
Yeah.
Wow.
When it don't sell off, what they do, they put it up in it.
Wow.
Instead of the next day, we don't do that. We do it fresh every day.
Yeah. Okay.
So we don't cook a lot.
Yeah. That's really good.
Just now my oxtail finish, and I have to put on some more.
You have to do another one.
Yeah.
Nice.
Jerk chicken, still have to put on some more.
Cool. I like that.
Fresh every day. Yeah.
And then you're on Uber Eats and.
Yeah. Uber Eats for now. Just eat soon.
Okay. Nice. Cool. So yeah. So as I said, I want to try a bit of what they had.
Yeah. Okay, no problem.
Hey guys, I really love this shop, highly recommend it. It's nice, it's clean, it's got good vibes. The owner Tony is very friendly. None of these staff that you get when you go to Caribbean shops, they're really friendly in here. And if you look at the menu as well, very affordable. And as he said, the food is always fresh. But as you heard the guy say, he doesn't cook too much. He doesn't have so many things on display. I like that, so all the food is fresh. And when you go to a lot of shops, you usually have a lot of things on display and things go off. So this place is really fresh. He cooks to what he can manage, and I'm definitely liking that. So he's speaking to some customers. He does big events. He's catering for a big event. Someone's doing a wedding. So he's speaking to them. When they finish, he's going to give me a platter of sample of everything. Definitely looking forward to it. Steph, you looking forward to it? Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Right, so the food is coming. I'm just waiting for the food to come. I'm gonna select my drink. So, Steph's gonna have this. Steph, which one are you having?
I might have. I'll get the same ones. I'll try the same thing. I'll try the same thing.
You try the same?
I'll
try something different.
Try something.
Right? Alright, okay.
I'll try the same thing.
So you trust my judgment.
Yeah, of course.
You trust my judgment. So we're gonna have beetroot. There's got pineapple, sugar, ginger, lemon, water, and it's 500 ml. Big bottle.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Tony, can you tell us what's on the menu? Like, what have you given us today?
This is fried chicken, jerk chicken, stew chicken, pepper steak, curry goat, rice and peas, coleslaw, pasta salad.
Yeah, so as you can see, I've got a big platter. I've got a sampler of everything. I'm gonna try it, and I'll let you guys know how it tastes. So over here we've got some fried chicken. Try some fried chicken. Yeah, it's decent. It's got the fried chicken spicy. Yeah.
It's spicy.
Nice.
Jerk sauce.
Oh, jet sauce.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jerk sauce on it because they come with the.
Yeah.
The jerk sauce come with the jerk chicken, so I just put it all over.
Cool. So he's put jet sauce on there. Okay. Nice. And then we've got some jerk chicken here as well.
Fresh from the pan, no oven.
Fresh. You know what? I really like that. You know.
Yeah.
You know what pisses me off when I go to shops.
Yeah.
And they give you oven.
Yeah, no, I don't do oven.
Jerk chicken.
Jerk pan, straight from the pan.
You can taste the smoke. It's authentic jerk chicken. And then got some stew chicken as well. Stew chicken is actually one of my favourite chickens to have. You know, you got like jerk chicken, you got curry chicken. Let's see if it slides off the bone. Yeah, definitely slides off the bone. Really nice. Then you got some curry goat as well. This is a lot of people's favourite.
Yeah.
Some curry goat. Yeah, very tender, soft, slides off the bone. Yeah, it's definitely decent. Then you got some pepper steak as well. Pepper steak. I'll tell you what, I like how it's not chewy. A lot of pepper steaks chewy. This is nice, man. It just melts in your mouth. Really nice. And then you obviously got some coleslaw as well. Pasta salad. Yeah. Yeah, very fresh. But you know what I liked? What I like what you said earlier is how you don't cook too much.
Yeah, it's fresh every day.
I really like that. Everything's fresh every day. Because when you go to a lot of shops, things are like preheated the next day.
But
So-
most of the people who own restaurant shop, they're British. They're not like Jamaican, like real Jamaican. So we just
Authentic, real yard man.
Yeah.
Is it when if you want proper food, you come to a real yard man shop.
Yeah.
So can you tell them the address? Is it
3 Brockley Cross.
3 Brockley Cross.
Yeah, that's in Brockley.
Yeah.
Right at the roundabout.
Yeah. Can't miss it.
Yeah. 3 Brockley Cross.
Yeah.
It's in Brockley.
I'm gonna try some of the rice and peas on its own. You can taste everything. Nice and shelly. Coconut, you can taste everything in there. Yeah. Yeah, this is definitely decent. Just scrape everything out. Everything. Yeah, we're half.
So I'm gonna give myself a knife.
That's a nice little plate there.
Nice little plate.
What have you got in there? Pepper steak.
the whole platter, the whole plate, the whole thing. Let's go for the fried chicken first.
Fried chicken first. What do you think?
Nice texture.
Yeah. Did you taste the jet sauce on it?
A bit.
Okay. Cool.
Okay, what's next? You got the jet chicken now.
Okay.
Okay.
Decent.
No, more than that, I'll say.
More than decent.
More than decent.
Yeah, it's giving it 11 out of 10.
11 out of 10. Don't know what to describe it, but you know, it's there.
What about the pepper steak? Some pepper steak there.
Yeah, like I said, it's not chewy.
It's not chewy. It's not chewy. Yeah, it literally slides and then it melts in your mouth.
Okay, you got the rice and peas now.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can definitely taste the coconut.
You can taste coconut?
Yeah, you can definitely.
Yeah, there's other spices in there.
Because you got the curry chicken now. Yeah, nice texture of chicken. Not too tough. Soft. Love that. Last one with these.
That wasn't curry chicken, that was curry goat.
Curry goat? Oh. I see, no, I eat too much curry chicken at home. Well, now we've got the pasta.
Yeah.
That's sweet. And sweet corn as well. Yeah, everything's really good. You got the coleslaw. I love it.
Right, so I just finished my food. As you can see, the plate is totally empty. What are you laughing? Your plate was like that as well. Yeah, so I'm gonna try my favorite drink in the shop. It's beetroot and carrot. So the ingredients, once again, it's got pineapple, sugar, ginger. It's got lemon, water. And you said the shelf life is 2 weeks, but it's not going to stay in there for 2 weeks. This drink here will sell within a day, easily. So I can definitely taste the beetroot, because the beetroot's got a strong taste. And then you can taste the carrot, you can taste ginger as well.
Yeah, a bit of lemon as well.
Lemon, yeah, you can taste lemon as well. So nice, this is a nice mix, you know. Yeah. Nice ingredient. It's a little bit thick as well. It's almost like a smoothie. It's almost like a smoothie. If you look on this bit here, you can see like it's really thick. Not really thick here, but it's got a thickness to it. Yeah. So once you've had that plate and you've had this, you don't need to eat for the rest of the day. This is going to be your meal for the day.
Yeah, if you actually focus on the taste, you can taste most of what's on the board right here. You can mostly taste the pineapple. That's what I can mostly
You can taste the pineapple as well.
Yeah. Pineapple. That's what stands out the most for me. And yeah, and the beetroot is, it brings out the color as well. The beetroot is some dark color.
Yeah, and it's good for you as well.
Yeah, it's really good, especially the ginger as well. Yeah, it's really good.
Do you like the thickness?
The thickness is alright. Not too watery, but the thickness is alright.
Yes, Tony. Yeah, big shouts to you, man. I really like what you're doing. The shop is really good, and food was definitely on point. So, Steph, what do you think about the food?
Food was lovely.
Yeah?
Best I've ever tasted.
Yeah, as I said, this is going to my shop now. I'm not going nowhere else. Yeah, so, yeah, thanks for having us. And keep up the good work. Bless. Right. Okay, so we just finished eating, had a really good time at Jet Palace. Once again, the address is 3 Brockley Cross, and it's in Southeast London. So if you're in the area, make sure you check them out. They're also on Uber Eats as well, so you can order on Uber Eats. If you download the Uber Eats app, you can order your food from here. So guys, once again, thanks for watching. If you like this episode, please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments what's your favorite dish, all the dishes that I had, which one would you try? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.